Anyway, I'm quite excited for this video because I'm recreating iconic Halloween movie outfits. I have 3. I'm doing one from Nightmare on Elm Street, a second one from Scream. I don't know why I'm doing this. And then my last one is from my all-time favorite movie, Practical Magic. If you guys have not seen this movie, highly recommend it. I went thrifting. I got 3 bags full of stuff. I'm gonna show you guys in a second what I got. Anyway, so I'm super excited about this because I love Halloween. It's my favorite holiday, and who doesn't love a good thrift flip? Start off with this. This one's for A Nightmare on Elm Street. I made patterns for some stuff, but other stuff just doesn't need it because of the way the outfits are out, but I'm somehow going to turn this shirt into shorts. And then I have this for the shirt. Maybe I'll use this one. No. I'm gonna turn it into socks. I got this one for the Practical Magic one. It was only $2.99. A steal. And it is, I'm pretty sure it's a tablecloth, but it's gonna become a dress. Oh my gosh. Okay, but I love how these edges already go. You can't even see. It's gonna be so good. And then I'm using some velvet fabric that's left over from my senior collection. And I have this cute thing. I wonder what this is. Does it say? No, it just says that it's a linen for $2. I don't know if that's gonna... My camera's not one of those cameras. But I'm gonna make this into the skirt for Scream one. It's gonna be cute. It'll look like... Oh my god, wait, is there 2? Wait, what? I thought this was one giant piece of fabric. It's not. Well, at least there's 4 of them. I can still... Yeah, because it's gonna be like... as it falls off of me. I'm gonna turn this into a skirt. I'm gonna turn this into a skirt somehow. And then I got this for the top. This is actually really cute. This would be cute if it was like cropped and then down a little bit like here. This is me thinking of more stuff to do. And then I found this top, which was in the men's section. But I think this is so cute. This will be on my Depop, link below. I got this really cute nightie that will also be on my Depop. I'm debating keeping this for myself if you can't tell, but I already have so many things like this that someone else deserves it. So cute. This one is for me. This will not be on my Depop, but look at how cute. Nice little sleeper. And then this is my favorite thing that I got. I'm pretty sure it looks like it used to be a dance costume, but I think it's massively adorable. Look at how cute. I'm putting this one up. And it has these little slits on the side. I have shorts on. Isn't that so cute? Isn't that so cute? This will also be on my Depop, so someone please buy it because I really want to see this on someone. It's so cute. I'm sad it doesn't fit me that well. It's fine, I'll make myself one. Oh, this would be cute. I kind of dig the arm out. Okay. It is the next day. So I cut out some of the patterns yesterday, and I didn't have enough fabric for the shorts to A Nightmare on Elm Street as I would have liked. So I seam ripped the 2 sleeves, and I'm gonna sew that together right along here so that I can use this for this pattern and cut another part of these shorts out. For half of it, the back, I'm just using this purple fabric. I'm crazy particular when it comes to stripes and all of that stuff, just because, sorry, I had to put it in my mouth. If it's slightly off or not, which this needs to get spread out that way, but right here is fairly accurate. Doesn't that just look so much more pleasing when it's all the same instead of if it was slightly off. Like this is extremely slightly off, but that still bothers me. You wouldn't be able to tell, but I just think it's so, I feel like it's just so much more pleasing and it just looks nicer to me. And it's a detail that I think really matters and can make a massive difference in the garment. It's just so nice. So good. As you can see, these are a little baggy, which is what I want. And I'm just gonna take up here and add elastic to this so that it bunches. And then I'm gonna take this up a little bit and then these will be done. The top two, A Nightmare on Elm Street, I don't have much to do. I basically just have to cut this out, fold it under, and make a clean edge for that. I need to make this into a V-neck. And then I am using this one. I am going to make socks that come up to right here. This is the last element to the Nightmare on Elm Street outfit. She wears this underneath of the top. So what I'm gonna do is change this and make it short sleeve. So I'll probably cut it here. I might crop this just for fun because I think it'll be cute, and then I could always do something with this later. Let's go. This is actually really cute just like this. I'm not even gonna lie. First outfit is done. Now it's time to go onto the second one. Onto the same outfit. So I have these pieces and I'm gonna sew 3 of them together to myself and make the skirt. Put it up to my body and see where I need to take it in back here and mark that. Side note, this would make a super cute crop top. Now that the zipper is on, I am going to take in the sides. Gonna sew right along here. Other side is the same. You can see. Sorry, the lighting is so bad. Try to explain this the best that I can. The neckline falls right here, which is okay to make a turtleneck, but with the buttons, it just wouldn't work. So I'm gonna make a separate neck piece. Actually, it might work. I'm also gonna cut the sleeves up to here, probably cut down here. This is the bottom of the shirt that I cut off, and I'm gonna cut here so that this seam will be in the back of the neck, and then it'll button up the front right here. I'm adding more buttonholes. Match this on the neck. The scream outfit is done. The final look, practical magic. This, along with the velvet top, is gonna make the dress. And then I think what I'm gonna do is put buttonholes right along here, get some ribbon, and make it a tie-up back. Kind of like a corset. I'm gonna sew these 2 pieces together first. Now that the front is attached, I am going to attach the side seams, and then it's almost done. I decided I'm gonna add this trim to the front of it just because I think it's really pretty. And I'm also gonna use the same trim for the lace-up back.
Bright. Did I keep you awake last night?
No, I guess I just slept heavy.
I'll see you.
See ya. Hi, everybody.
Leave this fog.
Never sleep again.
Thank you, Randy.
They didn't ask me if I like that.
It's because there's no way a girl could have killed him.
That is so sexist. The killer could easily be female. Basic instinct.
Morning, Miss. Morning, Miss Owens.
Good morning, Mr.
And if he doesn't exist, I'll never die of a broken heart.
This is Halloween, Halloween, Halloween.